Welcome to our channel. Today we how to play McDonald's Monopoly online. Enter the AMOE code step by step clearly. First, open your web browser on your phone or computer and make sure your internet connection is stable. Go to the official McDonald's Monopoly promotion website for your country by typing it directly into the address bar. Check the page title and the URL carefully to confirm you are on the official site and not a copy. Find the button or menu link that says Play Online. Enter code or redeem. Click that option and wait for the code entry page to load completely. If the site asks for your location, choose your country or region to load the correct rules. Look for a section labeled AMOE or Alternate Method of Entry on the page. If you do not see it, scroll to the bottom and open Rules, Official Rules, or Terms. Read the AMOE instructions quickly to confirm eligibility, dates, and entry limits. Return to the code entry form where it says AMOE code or enter AMOE code. If you need an account, select Sign Up and enter your email and a strong password. Verify your email if the site sends a confirmation link, then log in. If you already have an account, select Login and enter your details. After logging in, confirm your profile information if the site asks for name, age, or postcode. Now click inside the AMOE code field to place the cursor there. Type the AMOE code exactly as shown, including any letters and numbers in the correct order. Avoid extra spaces and double-check confusing characters like O and 0 or I and 1. If there is a CAPTCHA, complete it to prove you are not a robot. Click the Submit button such as Submit, Enter, or Redeem code. Wait for the confirmation message that says the entry was accepted or the code was redeemed. If you get an error, recheck the code for typos and try again once slowly. If it still fails, confirm the code is for the same country's promotion site you are using. Make sure the code has not expired and that you have not reached the daily entry limit. Refresh the page only if the site appears stuck, and then log in again if needed. Take a screenshot or note the confirmation number if the site provides one. Check your My Entries, History, or Rewards section to confirm the entry is recorded. If you win instantly, follow the on-screen claim steps and provide any required details carefully. For non-instant wins, keep checking your email and the website notifications for updates. Subscribe to the channel and like the video so you don't miss more step-by-step guides like this. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully and proceed to the next step when ready. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully and proceed to the next step when ready. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully and proceed to the next step when ready. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.